Here's a sample video of how PlierTek works on MacBook Pros. In this case we have a 2012 MacBook Pro 13-inch and damaged corner in this area right here. I'm going to try to focus on the camera. Right there. I don't know if you can see it, but in this case we have already removed the glass and it's just sitting on top. It's just not fitting right. So let me show you. Glass has been already removed, and you can see the damaged area right there. So we're going to go ahead and fix that. It's round again. Just give it a little better shape. Easy as that. You have the option to remove the bezel or just leave it in place. Let's put the glass again, see how it fits. Perfect corner. Thanks for watching.